Let's discuss about prototype design pattern. Imagine you have an object that is expensive to create. Maybe it has DB calls or other service calls or some heavy setup involved. Now every time a user hits the API, if you keep on creating this object again and again, your system will become slow. So instead we create it once and just copy the data whenever required. That's prototype pattern, creating new objects by cloning an existing one. In code, we implement clonable, which is provided by Java, and override its method called clone. Then we just call the clone method which is already available. Now the important part is how the copying happens. There are two types of copy in prototype. First one is shallow, second one is deep. Let's take UI theme as an example for shallow copy. Here the outer object is theme and inner objects we have fonts, colors, styles. In shallow copy, the theme is copied but the font styles are shared. Since the data is read-only, it's safe for user to have the shared data. Now take e-commerce order for an example for deep copy. The outer object is order and inside you have items, card, payment details, etc. In deep copy, everything is copied. So if one user changes something, it won't affect others. Now coming to database configurations. Things like DB URL, username, pool size, etc. share across the applications, not changing to every user. So these can be shared, so we can use shallow copy here. So shallow copy is used when sharing is safe, like UI themes or configs. Deep copy is used when data must be isolated, like orders or user data. That's prototype pattern. Don't create from scratch, instead use the existing one. See you tomorrow.